Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today we gonna learn about how to find slope of line in Origin. So let's get started. Let's open Origin first. For an example, let's open an Origin file with graph. In this graph you can see two kinds of slopes. One is positive slope, you can see here. Second is negative slope, as you can see here. We will try to find both of them. It's very easy and quick. Let's select the graph first and then go to Analysis tab here and then go to Fitting tab and then select Linear Fit and finally select Open Dialog tab. This kind of window will appear. To this window we will select this open showing select range from graph. After this we will select the region in which we want to find the slope of line. We need to adjust these points to make an accurate calculation, as you can see here. We are selecting positive slope of the graph here. After selecting, press Enter and then press OK. Then click on No and then press OK. Here we got the resultant table which contain intercept and slop, as you can see here. This is the slope line. Similarly, we can find the negative slope of this graph. Same procedure will be followed. We will select the slope region and then adjust the points and press Enter. Here you can see the table containing information about the negative slope of the line. You can also check the values by clicking on these table files. This was all about how to find the slope of line in Origin. I hope you understood it better. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.